Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to hide followers on Instagram, and now let's dive right in. Now to hide followers on Instagram, first open up the Instagram app. Before that guys, do make sure to subscribe to my channel because it gives me a lot of support. And with that being said, let's dive right in and open the Instagram app. And on this interface guys, at the bottom right corner of the screen you can see a profile picture icon available for us. Tap on your profile picture icon, and over here at the top right corner of the screen you can see the tree line icon. Tap on your tree line icon, and over here guys, scroll down and you can see there is the account privacy option available for us. Tap on over there, and over here you need to know a thing guys. In order to hide your followers on Instagram, you'll be required to make your account private. So in order to do that, tap on the toggle icon at the top right corner of the screen just beside the private account. And after you tap on that toggle icon guys, your account will be private and your followers will be hidden on Instagram. And there is how to hide followers on Instagram. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.